Hello, hope you are doing well. Today we are going to learn a poem from 1st Standard NCERT book, Unit 1st and Chapter 1st. Let's begin. The name of the poem is A Happy Child. My house is red, a little house. A happy child am I? I laugh and play the whole day long. I hardly ever cry. So the meaning of each line we are going to learn. The girl from the poem, she has a house and it is a little house. It is of red color. And she laughs and plays the whole day long. She hardly ever cries. The girl from the poem, बहुत ही कम रोती है वो बच्ची. And the meaning of whole stanza is, there is a girl and she has a house. It is a little house. The color of the house is red. And she enjoys her whole day. She laughs and plays the whole day long. And she hardly ever cries. इसका मतलब है वो बहुत ही कम रोती है बच्ची. And she calls herself as a happy child. So there is a heading, a happy child to this poem, right? So let's begin with second stanza. I have a tree, a green tree, to shade me from the sun, and under it I often sit when all my play is done. We are going to learn the meaning of each and every line. So there is a tree. The girl from the poem, when she has done with playing, she sits under that tree to take shade from the sun. So the meaning of whole stanza is, there is a house and near that house there is a tree. When the girl from the poem, she has done with the playing, and if she wants relaxation, she sits under that tree oftenly and she gets shade from the sun. So kids, do you play outside? Yes? Good. So do you sit under tree after play is done? Yes? Good. It feels so fresh, right? We have done with this poem. So did you understand poem? Good. So let's quickly start with the exercise. So which new words we have learned today? Cry, day, red, sun. Cry means रोना. Day means दिन. Red का मतलब है लाल. And sun means सूरज. Okay, let's read next. The sun shines in the sky. I have a red pen. Next, read and match the words with the pictures. Draw a line. If you are a boy, you have to match boy image with boy word. And if you are a girl, you have to match girl image with girl word. So I'm going to match the girl image with girl word. Okay? Good. So next, fun with the colors. Fill in the box with the right color. What is the color of the happy child's house? You know that answer. Red, right. So fill the box with red color. What is the color of your house? You have to check your house color. My house color is pink. So I'm going to fill the box with pink color. So you check your house and fill the box with that same color, right? Next, what is the color of tree? Color of the tree is green, right? Fill the box with green color. What is the color of the sun? Sun is in yellow color, right? Fill the box with yellow color. Next, let's talk. Is there a tree growing near your house? Tell us. Do you like the tree? What is the name of the tree? Okay, you have to observe the trees near your house and you have to tell whether you like tree and the names of the trees. You have to comment that into comment box. Okay, so my answer will be, I love trees and in my society there are many mango trees. Okay, next, let's share. There are many kinds of houses. Circle the ones you have seen. If you have seen hut, igloo, flat and bungalow, you can circle these 4 houses. Okay, I have seen hut, flat and bungalow, so I'm going to circle these 3. Next, let's draw. Draw your house here and talk about it. Okay, I'm drawing my house. My house looks like this. Okay, so I'm going to talk about my house, that I love my house. In my house there are 4 people: my mother, my father, my brother and me. I love my house and it is of pink color. Okay, next, how do you feel when you get a new dress? So they have written here happy already, so I'm going to make face here as a happy. When you get hurt, they have already written here sad, so I'm making face here sad. When you share your things, when we share our things, we generally get happy. Okay, sharing is the way of caring. Okay, when you share, you care for someone, so we feel happy. So I'm making face and word here happy. When you are ill, when we are ill, we feel sad, so I'm writing here sad and making face here sad. Next, draw the lines from the house to the people who live in your home. I live with my father, mother and my brother, so I'm going to join these 3 with my home. Okay, this question has been done. Next question, how many people live in your house? So again, me, my mother, my father and my brother. So we live 4 people at my home, so I'm going to write here 4. You have to count the family members of your home and you have to write here count. Okay, next, sing. I'm going to sing this song for you. Hope you like it. Jack in the box, sit so still. Won't you come out? Yes, I will. Jack in the box, sit so still. Won't you come out? Yes, I will. Yes, I will. Okay, next, join the dotted lines. This question also you are going to do with your parents. Okay, this is very simple question. Next one, look in a mirror. What do you see? Draw your face in the circle. Hey children, we have done with this poem and exercise. We will be back with another video. So stay connected to our channel, subscribe our channel, like and share our videos. Team Ayansh looks forward to have you on board. See you soon.